Hello everyone, how do you feel about these traffic situations? This case? And this case? And here too? Come on, let's get to the details right away. First of all, thank you for watching the video and leaving a comment. Coming to the first case, it seems that the truck lost its brakes and could not stop the car. This is also a similar case, affecting many traffic participants, but he also does not want to. Oh, I was sitting at the table drinking tea, when from somewhere a car came. Oh, what a car! It's so bulky and hard to tell which way it's going. These cases happen often. I don't understand what the driver is busy doing at times like that. It seemed like something exploded and a fire started. Why can this oncoming car change lane like that, and at such a fast speed? The container truck was very slow to ask for the way, but it seemed like it was a slope. It was difficult to control the speed. The car turned into a convertible. Luckily, everyone in the car was safe. Thanks again for watching the video and leave your comments below. Why was the pickup truck allowed to go through the red light like that? I don't quite understand this. Why did the car go into the wrong lane like that? Maybe the car lost control and couldn't be controlled. I wish you safe driving on all roads of your life. This road is both steep and uneven. It is really difficult to walk on this road, I am sure of it. He could have avoided it in this case. Why is it like that?
Oh, the luckiest sight I've ever seen of this driver. He had a miraculous escape. This scene is really unprecedented. Luckily, he is still safe and no one has any problems.